By using the same concept, let's suppose there is a function f of x, and that x minus b, like x minus 5 or x minus 3, this is same like x minus b, is a factor of this f of x. So whenever you will put that value of b in the function, what will be the remainder? 0. That is the concept you have to use. So did you have you studied this concept before?
Yes, I probably have. I just a while ago, so I forgot a bit.
Okay, no problem. So that is saying that there is a function f of x, and whenever you put the value of its factor as a substitution in the factor, you will get 0. Here is the example. For example, this one is a function x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, and the factor of this is x minus 2. So do you have notebook right now with you? Ballpoint notebook?
Yes, I'm writing down.
Yes. Now I want you to put the x is equals to 2 in this function. Like wherever you see the value of x, you just have to put 2 there. Is that clear? Can you substitute it for me?
Yes.
And tell me the answer.
So if I, okay. So I substitute x minus 2 for everything that's x.
No, not x minus 2. Just x is equals to 2.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So if like this is x cube, you will put here 2. So that will become 2 cube. Plus this one is 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 and minus 4. And tell me what will be the value you got?
For x cubed, x squared, for that one, right? Yes.
Yes, this is the function.
Squared minus. Okay.
So 2 cube will be?
Would it be 8?
8 and 2 square will be?
No, but is the answer 8?
No, answer will not be 8 because if that is a factor, because 2 cube is 8,
yes,
2 square is 4, 8 plus 4
yes.
is 12.
8.
And that is minus 4 into 2. So that will be?
It would be 8.
Minus 8
minus
and that
4.
is minus 4. So minus 8 minus 4 will be minus 12. So 12 minus 12, 0.
Oh, that's 0.
Yes, so that is why we can say that this x minus 2 is a factor of this one. So it means that you don't have to go all the way with the long division to prove it. You are just going to put the number like after the minus sign and put it in the polynomial, and if the answer is 0, it means that that number is a factor, and if the answer is not 0, other than 0, it means that number is not a factor. Is that clear? So yes. Here we are going to substitute x is equals to 2 in this, and after simplifying this, you can see that our answer will be 0, which means that this x minus 2 is a factor of the original equation or expression. Is that clear? So that is a test. So similarly, why we have to put a factor in, why we have to substitute the value in the function? Because to check the factor, that is a factor or not. Here is another example. Like they want you to find the factor for this one. So right now you don't know what will be the factor of this one. So there you have 2x cube plus x square minus 18x minus 9. For this, I want. Can you write this whole expression on the calculator? if you have calculator?
Yes, I have a calculator.
Do you have a scientific calculator?
Yes. But I can't write that whole expression in the calculator. It's
Okay. Okay, no
well,
problem.
I can do 2 times, but if it's x equals
Okay.
1, then nothing changes, no?
Okay, no problem. After this class, I will make a video for you in which I will explain that how you are going to write a function on the calculator. So that will be much easier for you, and I will upload
Probably.
it on the WhatsApp. Will that be okay?
Yes, that'd be perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Because I do have the required calculator. I just don't know how to use it very well, I guess.
Okay, no problem. I will share it. Let's start with the 1, because if you put 0 in this one, 0 as a substitution of x, so that value becomes 0. Anything multiplying with 0 will be 0. That value will also become 0. This one also 0, and you are left with -9. It means that our after the substitution, your answer is not 0. So the next number will be 1 if you put x is equals to 1 in this. So 1 cube is 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Plus again 1 square is 1, minus 18 into 1 times just 18, and -9. So if you simplify all this, then your answer will be -24. It means that x is equals to 1 is also not a factor of this expression. Similarly, by checking with x is equals to 2, your answer will be -25. It means that x is equals to 2 is not a factor. By putting x is equals to 3, that's why I have asked you that you are using a scientific calculator or not. Because if you put that function in the calculator, then it will be much easier for you to substitute the values. Otherwise, if you do it on the paper, then it will take a lot of time. So that's why I asked. And I will make a video for you and upload it after the class. Okay?
Perfect. Thank
So
you.
if you substitute x is equals to 3, then 3 cube is 27, 27 2 times 54. Similarly, 3 square is 9, 18 3 times is 54, and there is a minus sign there also, so that is -54, and that is -9. So 54 and -54, they will cut each other, +9 -9, they will cut each other, and you are left with 0. It means that if you put x is equals to 3 in the given expression, your answer is 0, which means you have a factor x minus 3. Like this, x minus 3 is a factor. You will write x minus and whatever will be the value which is going to be a factor. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
So
Do you want me to do the homework right now? Because I think I know how to do it.
Yes, I'm coming to that. So if you can check it also on the long division. I'll skip this one and come
By
into
yeah, okay.
Okay.
So you check it to see if the results.
Yes, that is 0 as the remainder. Okay. So I'm coming to the homework because that is a basic concept for homework. That's why you need an explanation of this. Okay.
Yeah, I was very confused. I was like, I don't know what it's asking me.
Yes. Okay, now there is a remainder concept also. That what if you get the remainder by putting the substitution of if you substitute any value in the equation. For example, if you substitute x is equals to 4, or x is equals to -2, or x is equals to 1/2, like these, we have different kind of these values. So what will be the case if there is a remainder? Okay. For example, if you put x is equals to 4, you got the remainder -13. So so it means that if you put x is equals to 4, you have a remainder. So by using this concept, now coming to the homework question, you will see. That was the homework question. Okay, that is the question. So can you read out the statement for me?